Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chidi here. What's up? How is everyone doing? So in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to make Gizdodo for those that don't know. So Gizdodo is plantain and gizzard, and plantain is commonly called dodo in Nigeria. And guys, before we continue this video, please, for those that haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button down there and give this video a thumbs up, and then sit tight and learn how to make Gizdodo if you don't know how to do it. And if you already know how to do it, you might learn something new, or just watch me do it. So these are the stuff I'll be using to make them. Okay, so over here we have the plantain, and this is the green pepper, and this is peas and hot pepper and onion, and my blended fresh tomatoes, and then yeah, gizzard. I've put in my seasoning. Okay, so I use ginger, I use all-purpose seasoning, I use Maggi, pepper and onion and thyme. Okay, so I have all those in, and I didn't add any water. Okay, I'm just gonna like cover my pot, and then the gizzard is gonna just cook on its own. Okay, no need to add additional water into the pot except you really want to, but I don't think it's necessary because you will definitely see water in your pot even without adding any additional water to it. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to cover my pot and let my gizzard cook. Guys, just look at that. I don't know if you can see, it's cooking on its own without any additional water. See the water in it? Like, you don't need to add any water in it, seriously, because just look at that. So you put your onion, your pepper, your peas, okay guys, first sorry, you have to add oil to your pot, your pan, your pot, whatever you are using, any vegetable oil of your choice. Okay, it doesn't really matter. Then you add your pepper, you add your onion, you add your peas, you know, like basically like the veggies that you, I added my plantain in here. So like, yeah, like this basically like the veggies like you want to use to cook. Okay, yeah, so right now I'm adding my green pepper. Just and let it simmer, guys. So right now you can add your fresh tomato. Add it. All of it. So it should be looking something like this. Hope you can see. Just let it fry, and start adding your seasoning. Any seasoning of your choice, guys. So you have to let this to fry for a while, because you know fresh tomatoes, after blending it, you know it brings out water. So let it fry so the water that comes with the fresh tomatoes will dry. Okay, guys, you can taste to know if your seasoning is okay or if you should add something else. So guys, as you can see, the tomatoes is getting dry, like the water in the tomato is getting dry, and at this point you can add your gizzard. And then you stir. Mix everything together, guys. What? Mix everything together. Guys, it smells heavenly, and tastes amazing. Look at that, like just look at that. Yum, yum, yum. So guys, I'm done with my plantain, so I'm just gonna add the plantain right into this. And guys, this can go as a sauce, okay, and you can use this to eat anything. You can use it to eat white rice, or you can even fry your plantain and just put this by the side, and or a boiled plantain, or whatever really. Like we Africans, especially Nigerians, we like sauce, so we can boil rice or boil plantain or fry plantain, or anything really. Fry yam, boil yam and eat it with the sauce, and this can go with really anything. Okay guys, this looks yummy. Okay, so I'm just gonna add my plantain that I have already fried. So yeah, so this is my fried plantain. I'm just gonna add it into this. Guys, this is amazing. Then just add everything together. Oof. Guys, you need to do this at home, okay? Like, you need to just try this, okay? This is, it's so delicious, guys. It tastes amazing. It looks good and it tastes even better. Like, guys, I kid you not. Just try it yourself. Okay? And guys, this is it. This is Gizdodo. It's so easy to make and tastes awesome, looks awesome, and tastes fabulous. So guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, let them learn how to make Gizdodo, and subscribe if you haven't, and comment your thoughts on what you want to see next. If you want to see more cooking videos on this channel, also let me know in the comment section down below. Oh my gosh, this is oh my gosh, this is awesome, guys. Alright guys, I will see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.